today we are going to be doing a unboxing inside of here. We're going to find out what's in the box. We're really going to find out what's in here. A couple hours ago I did a poll saying what you think is in this box, and so far I don't think nobody saw this. So we're going to go ahead and open the box. We're going to find out what's in here. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Alright, so, well, I ain't got no knife. Fingers. You would not believe this. What? I was finally able to get my hands on one. Finally. After a year of trying to get my hands on one, I got one. But hey, I'm gonna flip this thing around the right way. It's already open, people. I didn't have a sneak peek yet, but I had it covered up. I was so excited. Gotta get this thing done myself. You know how I go. Alright, here we go. More bubble wrap. Ooh! Saw some gunshots. Look at this. This is nice. This is so nice. Look what we got, baby. A B550 motherboard. ROG Strix. Nice. I've already got one for some reason. You won't guess it. I had trouble getting my hands on one of these. Yes, I got one finally. A GeForce RTX 3060. Finally. We're gonna open this video. This is part one of the unboxing, and we're gonna go ahead and get this Asus thing open. This is a B550. So it's like my X570. So it's supposed to be. Boy, look at this. Asus ROG. Look at this. Now, if you guys are interested in how I got this combo, be sure to check out the link in the description. It'll take you to it so that you can get this same combo. This is dope. This is the second motherboard I've ever gotten. Like, cash free. That's good. Get rid of that. Stick that on there. That's the motherboard. Get the manual like always. Man, come on, ROG. Come on, really? You still giving out discs and DVDs? We don't do DVDs no more. Everything's downloaded. Jeez, man. You got your SATA cables. You got your stickers. ROG stickers, they're kind of cool. You can put them on. And then it says ready to rock, gaming world. And specification update notification. Well, this motherboard is Windows 11 ready on the box. There's a little twisty ties to help with your, being neat and tidy. Fan header for extra fans. And a screw that goes inside of your case or something. That's all that's in the box. Let's go ahead and check out the motherboard. All right, y'all, here is the motherboard. I'm not gonna do a peel game on this thing because somebody already bought it from me already. I know, that's crazy. First thing we're gonna do is look at the back and check to see the ports. Okay, with some USB 2.0s, USB 3.0s, and a 4.0, and a USB Type-C. We have a display port, and we have an HDMI cable, and a 10 gigabit, it looked like a 10 gigabit Ethernet cable, or is it a 1 gigabit? I think the one gigabits are black, and then the 10 gigabit is orange. So that's pretty dope. I actually like that. Obviously, this is AMD. It comes with these VRMs. It's got M.2 slots. I think these are the M.2 slots right here, the ones that's covered up here. And we got 6 SATA ports, that's gonna go away soon, eventually. Let's look at the back of the board. You have a nice Republic of Gamers imprint on the back of it with a whole bunch of writing, which is, I'm not gonna read it right now. And you already have a back plate already for the CPU. So all you have to do is just go get the CPU and a fan cooler, and it's ready to go. It's dope. This is pretty dope. It almost looks just as good as mine. It's just missing some 4.0 USBs. Anyway, other than that, this is just a quick little video on this one. And be ready for part 2, because we're gonna take a look at this 3060 GPU. I'm gonna get a good look at this bad boy right here. I'm keeping that. Peace. I'll see y'all next time.